And if you want to say how are you, Baunara.
Baunara.
Baunara. Yes, ma'am.
Baunara.
And
if we'll say I am fine,
Baunara
then
and Bagunnara. You can say Bagunnara. If you want to say I am fine, Baunanu.
Baunanu.
నేను బాగున్నాను మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Yes, ma'am.
Now it's going over my
if
head.
You want to say,
how are you? Yesterday it was becoming very difficult for us to get connect.
Yes, ma'am. That's now I'm at a peaceful place, and my internet is good now. Yes, maybe I think there is no any obstacles here.
So first of all, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay,
nice to meet
so
you
same here, Pradeep. So before we proceed, let's introduce each other. Please start.
Okay, ma'am. I am Pradeep. I am from Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, I stay in Visakhapatnam district, and I am pursuing graduation in the stream of civil engineering. And my hobbies are reading books, watching movies, and watching web series like Friends, and watching conversations on YouTube, English conversations, and also content related to English. And listening to music is my major hobbies.
That's so good.
That's all about me.
That's so great. And as you know, I am Sarita, and I am basically from Haryana. And recently, by taking inspiration from people like you, I have also started speaking English.
My pleasure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Our pleasure, actually.
Yeah, so I would like to say thanks to all of the people like you who has started this kind of conversation at the YouTube. So thank you so much, Pradeep.
Thank you. Same here, ma'am. And we are happy to have you here.
Same here, Pradeep. So, Pradeep, tell me something about Andhra culture, Andhra tradition. Actually, we are not aware about South Indian culture. Whatever we know, that is only from the movies we watch. So today it's a better chance to know the things from your mouth only. So please tell me about something Andhra.
Andhra Pradesh is a state of Telugu people. I mean, yeah, it's the language. The Telugu is our official language here, and it is very rich in culture, and the food famous here is pulihora, and our state is famous about pickles. Have you heard about pickles, ma'am? Avakai.
Yes, we are very fond of pickles.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, and yeah, and Kuchipudi is the form of a classical dance where it is origin. I mean, Kuchipudi has originated in Andhra Pradesh only. Yes, ma'am. And what else? And there are more. I mean, spiritual places here. Tirumala. Have you heard about Tirumala, ma'am? The god of the temple of Venkateshwara, Lord Venkateshwara temple. No. Yeah, this is the famous temple in our Andhra Pradesh, and so many people from other states and foreigners to visit that temple. And yes, there are a lot of beaches and parks to be visited. And in Telangana, actually, we have divided into two parts. The Andhra Pradesh have divided into two parts in 2012, I think. I don't know I exact the year. Yeah, so it is two states now. In Telangana, Hyderabad, dum biryani is the famous recipe. Okay. Yes, these are all about.
So Hyderabad is Hyderabad is capital of both the states, Telangana and Andhra as well.
No, ma'am. In Andhra Pradesh now there are three capitals like judiciary capital and Yes, yes, ma'am. There are three capitals now: Amravati, Visakhapatnam, and
Okay.
there is another state. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's great.
But the capitals are not ready because this is the origin. I mean, they are developing the capital now.
Okay. So now you
Yes,
are in your hometown. Is it a village?
yes, ma'am. It is. I am from a small village in Andhra Pradesh.
See, I can see the
And
view behind you. This
yes,
is so
you
beautiful.
can see the
Yes, wow.
yes, ma'am.
Is
These
it
are the
is it
mountains.
a
I
is
mean,
it a
can you
hilly
see
area? Is it a
it?
hilly area?
Yes, ma'am. It is. Yes,
Wow.
ma'am. My village is surrounded by these mountains.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
Can you see it, ma'am?
Yes, I can see
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
The greenery, the
Okay.
mountains, the small
Yes,
hills.
ma'am. And also here, yes, ma'am. I'm at a small hill, small top of hill now because here I could get the good internet signal.
Yeah, but I can see the beauty. This is so beautiful.
Yes,
You,
ma'am.
you guys are living
It
at
is.
such a blessed place.
Yes, ma'am. I
This
should
is
admit it.
yes, yeah, this is so beautiful. Great. So actually, whatever I
And
know, yes, tell me.
uh, please, please go, ma'am.
Okay, so
Please go on, ma'am. You are saying
yeah,
something.
okay. So whatever I know about Andhra, I have get it from only movies. So now, what you have told me, I am much aware about Andhra now. So this is a very nice
Thank you,
place.
ma'am.
Actually, I have seen you people attire. I think you wear that dhoti. I don't know what you say that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
In
Yes.
Telugu, they are called panchalu. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Dhoti.
Okay. Yes, that is so nice. That is so nice. So, when did you start your spoken English journey, and how this idea came in your mind? Like you are a young person, you should start speaking English, but how this idea came in your mind?
Actually, I had this idea from some YouTubers like Iconic Indra and English. These are the channels. Actually, they also started their YouTube channels on in the starting of the lockdown, first lockdown.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, and but I uh, I have started my YouTube channel 3 months ago in January, in the end of January this year. Uh,
So,
I have the idea, but I don't have the equipment to start a YouTube channel there. I would have started it in the first lockdown itself, but I don't have the good equipment. Now I
see,
bought it after buying my phone,
okay.
new phone. I
Yeah.
started my channel.
Oh,
Yes,
that's so
ma'am.
nice of you. That's so nice of you.
And
Actually,
congratulations for that. I'm glad to hear that you have got your first 100 subscribers,
yes, I
and
was very happy.
your videos are so good, and you have improved a lot. When I see your day one of your spoken English daily class, I mean challenge, like when in the day 20 you have, I'm just astonished by your language. I mean, you're just uh, speaking. The words are coming like a float, a heavy float. That's a great change, ma'am, I would say.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Actually, we have been inspired by the people like you, as I told you. So, I think that I should also start speaking English. And I started making videos. And while making videos, I did a lots of practice. And due to that practice only, now I can speak with the people like you. So
That's great.
that has helped me a lot.
That's great, ma'am. Uh, and I sorry, I forgot some. I
No.
forgot to
You
ask you
take your
something.
time and ask whatever you want to ask. Actually, we are here for conversing, and I think we should converse at any topic. That's why I started talking about Andhra. Uh, so
Okay.
you can ask anything
And
you
yeah,
want.
I at the beginning of starting up my YouTube channel, I don't know how to edit the videos, so I go with the Clapping Go classes. Yeah, my YouTube channel have started with the videos of Clappingo.
So did you take
At that time, it
Clappingo
is at the initial
subscription?
stage.
Did you take Clappingo
Yes, ma'am. I had
subscription?
taken. Yes, ma'am. I did. I take a 1 month subscription, and it has ended 2 months ago, I think, at the end of March.
Okay.
Yes, and
So how's
yes,
your experience with
yes,
Clappingo?
yes, ma'am. It was good. I overcame my nervousness and hesitation while speaking English, and I I I should say that my language has improved a bit. I would say
Not a bit. It has improved a lot.
that's it, and also it has increased. Yes, ma'am. And I got confidence to speak English, ma'am. That's it.
So did you try Cambly also?
No, ma'am, I can't. But I had the idea, but uh, very, it is a bit costly. I mean, yes,
I
we should.
I neither tried Clappingo nor Cambly. I
Okay.
took two demo
You have
sessions.
taken 2 demo sessions.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
I
I
took
have
2
seen
demo
that video.
sessions only. Yes.
I think there is no need of taking any subscription to you, ma'am, because your English is fabulous.
Not so
Now,
fabulous, but
I
yeah,
can say.
nowadays I have started improving a lot because now I have started speaking to different people, and when we speak to different people, that gives us that confidence that yes, I can, at least I can talk to people in English.
Yes, ma'am. And also, I always shocked that how did you maintain that energy levels throughout the video, and I loved your confidence too. That high energy levels, I liked it. I loved it, man. Actually,
That is because I am from Haryana, and Haryanvi people are full of energy. They
okay.
do have that strongness in their voice, and in their action also
Voices.
they are very strong. So that can be the reason.
Okay, that's great,
This
ma'am.
is the
That's
only
great.
thing I could analyze, so I told this only.
Okay,
Okay, so is there
that's great, ma'am.
any Haryanvi friend you have, or any other state friend you have other than Andhra?
No, ma'am. I don't have any friends from other states. I
Okay,
just have
okay.
friends from my area.
Andhra Pradesh
Yes,
only.
and also there is no environment of yes, ma'am. Having conversation English. That's why I'm approaching you people
No, it's very great platform
to have a
actually.
conversation. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, right. This is so nice that I also don't have that environment at my home that whom I can converse with English. But after getting this idea from YouTube, it's very nice. It's very nice.
That's great to hear,
And
ma'am.
after our yesterday's small discussion, I watched your videos, so many videos, whatever have you posted on the YouTube. So you are doing
Thank you,
a
ma'am.
great
Thank you
job.
for watching.
And yesterday I watched video with, what was that name, Lingeron? What is that website?
Pingolan. Is it
Pingolan.
Pingolan?
I'm saying lingo. Okay,
Yes.
that Pingolan.
Okay.
So your conversation was very funny. I think tutor asked you about what if you get 1 million money and dollar something.
$1 million.
Yes. So I watched your video
At
and
that
that
time, I
was
don't have
quite
any
good.
idea.
That was quite good.
Thank you, ma'am.
I
Thank
like
you.
that. I like that.
Compliment.
The way you describe was very
Yes.
nice.
And
It was
have you
coming
seen any
directly
shorts,
from
ma'am?
your heart and mind.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, yeah. And have you seen any shorts, ma'am? I have been uploading some shorts.
I have seen
to
your 2 shorts.
YouTube shorts.
Once, give it a shot. One was that,
Okay.
and the other was, I think, a word, the biggest word in English. I don't know what was that. I tried to memorize that, but I am
Okay.
unable. So
Okay.
I watched 2 shorts.
Okay.
What was
Thank
that
you.
word? What was that word? Do you remember that?
Yeah. I'm trying to remember that, ma'am. Actually it's referring to a disease, lung disease.
Okay.
If I get a start, I will actually. Sorry, ma'am.
That was too big. I watched that
Yes,
short 3 or 4 times, but I could not memorize that. That was very difficult. Where did you search that from?
if I get a start, I will on internet, ma'am, on Google actually. Google is my
Okay.
first platform to search anything.
Hey,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
very
And
good
also
idea.
I have recently uploaded a short regarding tongue twisters, ma'am.
10?
And yeah, if
10?
I got some good tongue twisters, tongue twisters.
Tongue twister, tongue twister. Okay, okay. And what was that
Yes,
which you
ma'am.
have uploaded today?
Uh, that was uh, I have said the three tongue twisters in a short. Like she sells seashells by the seashore, and ice cream, you scream, we all scream for an ice cream. That was one tongue twister. And here is a tricky one. Please, Betty bought a bit of butter, but the bit of butter was a little bitter. So she bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better.
Oh my god.
These
It's
are the
not my cup of tea. I cannot do it. I cannot do it. I tried doing that. Your sea sells the seashore. Then I stopped myself. That it's not my cup of tea. I'm not doing that. But I'll try.
Everyone can do that now. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes. I'll try.
You will
I'll
give it a
try.
try.
I'll try. I'll try. I'll try today only. But
Okay.
right now
And
I'm not going to.
what are the YouTube channels?
Sorry.
Okay, ma'am. What are the YouTube channels you follow to improve your English, ma'am? And I got one, Alina Rice, and she is one of my followers. I mean, I am one of her follower too.
Yes. So I do
What about
follow
others, ma'am?
Alina Rais, ma'am, and one is Awal. AWAL is the name of the person who is the owner of this channel, but I don't remember his channel name. The channel name is different. So you should search that person. AWAL. His teaching
Okay,
method is
I will do
very
it.
different, and nowadays he has also started making these shorts, and those are very beneficial. You should go through that YouTube channel. It's very nice.
Okay, I will. And do you watch any movies or web series? And what are your hobbies, ma'am? I would like to know about your hobbies.
My hobbies are very simple. I just like to listen to the songs. It's very easy. I love dancing.
Wow.
I love dancing. These are the two things I do. And nowadays I
Do you
have.
only in your language, ma'am? You listen to songs in your mother tongue or any other languages?
I in my mother tongue, that is Haryanvi and Hindi. I don't listen to English songs because I cannot get them properly. So till now, I have not started listening English
Yes,
songs.
ma'am.
Yes, but I have started watching
Yes,
English movies, but that too dubbed one. That was dubbed by our Indian speakers.
Okay, in Hindi.
Yes.
Okay.
And in English, I have started watching the short movies.
Okay.
So it's
have you
going
seen
good.
any web series, ma'am?
Web series in English?
Yes, ma'am.
Recently, I have not seen any web series in English.
Okay.
Yes. I do watch only shorts.
Okay, ma'am. There is a great web series to start with. Friends. Have you heard about Friends?
Yes, I have heard. In my Clappingo class, in my Clappingo demo class, the tutor also suggested the same web series, that you should start with Friends web series. That is very nice.
The tutor may be Parveen Khan. I think so. And she is one of the craziest fan of Friends web series, like me.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. She has watched more than 10 times that season.
Friends web series.
And there are about 10 seasons.
10 seasons?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it must be very famous.
Yes, ma'am. It is. It is a comedy web series, and It is a rom-com web series, actually, romantic and comedy web series.
Okay. So that's
If
good.
you want to, you will give it a try. It's a great way to start it.
Yes.
You
Many
will
people
laugh
have
your head
suggested.
off while you watch.
Sorry.
Yes, ma'am. You will laugh your head off by watching that. Some of the clips.
Okay.
I'll. Yes, ma'am.
So till now, how many people you have conversed with? Like we are conversing with each other. So how many people you have conversed with?
Around 10 to 15 members, ma'am. That's it.
10 to 15 people.
And sometimes I got the network issue, so that yes. So sometimes I got the network issue, so that I didn't upload that videos on YouTube. Yes.
Okay. No, but you are doing very good job. Okay, yesterday we were talking about Hindi language. So coming to that topic, you should try Hindi also. This
Okay.
is very nice.
Yes, ma'am. I would.
Do you know the meaning of namaste?
Namaste, namaskaram, namaste.
Yeah. Okay, you say namaskaram.
Who doesn't know the namaste? Yes, ma'am. In Telugu we say namaskaram.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
It is our Indian culture. It is a famous Indian. I mean, gesture,
Yes.
Indian gesture.
Indian
And
gesture.
that's what foreign people. And in this corona pandemic, it is one of the best way to greet one of without touching each other. And yes, it is famous in. I mean, it is getting popular in foreign areas too.
Yes, right. So, how do you greet people in your language? How do you say good morning and namaste?
Good morning. We say Subhodayam.
Subhodayam. Subhodayam.
And in Subhodayam.
Shubho. Okay.
Shubhodayam. And
means Shubh.
Yes, ma'am.
Shubhodayam. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And if you want to say how are you, Baunara. Yes, and
if we'll say I am fine, then
and Bagunnara, you can say Bagunnara. If you want to say I am fine, Baunnanu.
Baunanu.
Meerela unnaru. Yes, ma'am.
Now it's going over my head.
If you want to say I am fine, Baunnanu, Meerela unnaru.
Yes,
in Telugu we have 56 letters. Yes, ma'am.
Oh my god,
yes,
it's going over my head.
And we have the greatest art form of Padyalu in Telugu. It is a four line poem, like poem. Okay. And we have tongue twisters in Telugu too.
In Telugu, you can do that. We never can do that.
Yes,
it's really difficult.
Would you like me to?
Yeah.
Tell
one,
ma'am. Tell one of the tongue twisters.
Yes. Tell me.
Yeah. And here we go. అడిగెదనని కడువడిజెను అడిగిన తన మగుడ నుడగుడని నడయుడగన్ వెడవెడ జిడిముడి తడబడ నడిగిడు జడిమ నడుగిడు నెడలన్.
That's funny. Yes. Nadi gudi nada dal. I don't know. What does that mean? What was that?
Actually, it was a padyam from Bhagavatam. I think you have the knowledge of Bhagavata Purana.
Bhagavad Gita?
Yes, ma'am. Bhagavata Purana. It is tales of Krishna.
That is Bhagavad Gita. We say it Bhagavad Gita.
Yes, ma'am. Bhagavatam.
Yes. Okay. So this is a shlok
yes,
from that Bhagavad Gita.
And Telugu Bhagavatam. Bhagavad Gita is a different.
Okay.
Bhagavatam yes, yes. And it is saying Lakshmi, Ma Lakshmi is hesitating to ask Vishnu. I mean, have you heard of Garuda?
Garud.
Gajendra Moksha, ma'am. Gajendra Moksha.
Gajendra
Moksha. Okay. Yeah, it is. Yeah, this poem is in that chapter, ma'am. Gajendra Moksha.
Okay, okay. You are very spiritual kind of person.
Yes, ma'am, I do. I think a little. Yeah, I have the interest of knowing about our mythologies and spiritual kind of stuff. Yes, ma'am.
That's so great. That's so great. Now, otherwise, nowadays people have started forgetting all these things and they are moving towards the English culture, more of English culture. But you are doing it. That's great. That's great,
Yes, ma'am.
Pradeep.
But we should have knowledge of our art, I mean, our arts and cultures too.
True,
That's our
true.
responsibility to share our to know about our knowledge and share our knowledge for youngsters.
Yes, yes. We are
Yes,
known for our culture. India is known for its culture only, and especially when it comes to South India, you people are rich of culture.
in North too. Yes, ma'am. I would say not in North Indian too.
Yes, yes, yes. So, anything else, Pradeep? You wanna ask, or we should call it for the day?
Yes, ma'am. I think we should call it. It's almost half an hour,
Half an
and
hour.
it's
Yes,
a
yes.
pleasure meeting you, ma'am. And it's great conversation with you, ma'am.
Same here, Pradeep. Same here. It's
Nice
very
meeting
nice
you.
talking to you. Thank you
You
so
made my
much.
day, ma'am.
Sorry.
You you made my day.
Oh, thank you so
Yes,
much.
ma'am.
Same here, Pradeep. It's
You
very
made my
nice
day.
talking to you. Thank you, Pradeep. So, if I'll get another
Thank you, ma'am.
chance
Thank you
to
for.
get connected with you, I'll definitely connect with you.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I am happy to converse with you again.
Thank you, Pradeep. All the best.
Okay, ma'am.
Have a great future ahead.
All the best for your future endeavors too, ma'am.
Thank you.
You
Thank
too.
you,
You too.
Pradeep.
Likewise,
Take
ma'am.
care. Take care. Bye bye.
Have a great evening, ma'am.
Same
Bye,
to
ma'am.
you. Bye bye.
Take care of you.